Welcome back to Car Fusion, where we bring you the most exciting rides and the future of mobility, all in one place. Today, we're shifting gears into elegance, innovation, and executive class comfort, presenting the all-new 2025 Skoda Superb, a luxury sedan that's redefining what premium really means. Skoda has stepped up big time with the new Superb. It's smarter, sleeker, and more luxurious than ever before. So, if you're someone who appreciates understated sophistication mixed with everyday practicality, then this one's going to grab your attention. Let's start with the design, and wow, does this car know how to make an entrance? The 2025 Superb has been completely redesigned, and it's clear Skoda aimed for a more upscale look. From the front, you'll notice the bold hexagonal grille, flanked by razor-sharp matrix LED headlamps that give the car a serious, determined gaze. The lines across the bonnet are sculpted with precision, flowing into a long, elegant silhouette that screams European luxury. Chrome accents, flush door handles, and an extended rear overhang create a profile that looks far more expensive than its price tag suggests. And the full-width LED tail light bar at the rear? That's the icing on this automotive masterpiece. Whether parked or in motion, the Superb commands attention without ever looking like it's trying too hard. Now, step inside and you're entering what feels like a first-class lounge on wheels. Skoda has completely overhauled the cabin design for 2025, and it's all about minimalism, technology, and comfort. You're greeted by a floating 13-inch touchscreen, complemented by a crisp 10-inch digital instrument cluster and a brand new head-up display. The dashboard design is clean and clutter-free, with intuitive dials for climate controls and backlit touch sliders that actually feel good to use. But the real star here is the space. Legroom in the rear is exceptional, making it the perfect chauffeur-driven sedan, while the boot offers an enormous 645 liters of space, one of the largest in its class. Whether it's luggage, golf clubs, or weekend gear, this car swallows it all. When it comes to tech, the Superb doesn't just keep up, it leads. The infotainment system is faster, more responsive, and supports gesture controls, voice assistant, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. There's a high-end Canton sound system for audiophiles, mood-setting ambient lighting, and even ventilated seats with massage functions in higher trims. And yes, you also get a digital key, remote parking via your smartphone, and over-the-air updates to keep the car constantly improving even after you drive it home. Now let's talk power. The 2025 Skoda Superb offers a lineup of mild hybrid, plug-in hybrid, petrol, and diesel engines, giving buyers the flexibility to choose what suits their lifestyle best. The plug-in hybrid version is especially exciting, offering up to 100 kilometers of pure electric range. That's more than enough for your daily city drives. But don't worry, when you hit the open road, the petrol and diesel variants still deliver smooth, effortless performance, thanks to refined powertrains and an updated DSG automatic transmission. You also get adaptive suspension, driving modes, and quieter cabin insulation, giving you a drive that feels more like gliding than rolling. Whether you're cruising the highway or navigating city streets, the new Superb offers a refined and confident ride that will make every journey a pleasure. Safety is another strong suit of the 2025 Superb. Built on the new EQB Evo platform, it delivers improved crash protection and stability. Advanced driver aids include Heavy Checkmark Adaptive Cruise Control, Heavy Checkmark Lane Keep Assist, Heavy Checkmark Emergency Braking, Heavy Checkmark Blind Spot Detection, Heavy Checkmark Traffic Sign Recognition, Heavy Checkmark 360-degree cameras with self-parking assist. Skoda's goal is clear: maximum peace of mind for both driver and passengers. This is a car that watches the road with you, and sometimes even better than you. The 2025 Skoda Superb will be offered in several trims, including Style, Sportline, and the ultra-premium Lauren and Clement edition. Expect pricing to start at around Euro 38,000, climbing to Euro 50,000 000 plus for the top-spec plug-in hybrid with all the bells and whistles. And honestly, for what it offers, the Superb delivers tremendous value. It feels like a car that should cost twice as much. To wrap it up, the 2025 Skoda Superb is not just a car, it's a statement of class, technology, and intelligent design. It takes the legacy of the Superb nameplate and pushes it to a whole new level. Whether you're a business executive, a family driver, or someone who simply appreciates refined luxury without the luxury badge markup, the new Superb is a car worth your attention. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Car Fusion, where innovation meets inspiration on four wheels. Tell us in the comments, would you choose the Superb over a German rival? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Car Fusion.